Welcome back to Go's Moto Channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of off-road motorcycles. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2024 KTM 350 XCF Factory Edition, a machine that's been setting the off-road community abuzz. Let's get started. The 2024 KTM 350 XCF Factory Edition is the special edition off-road competition motorcycle which features technical, protective, and cosmetic upgrades to intimidate opponents on the starting line at cross-country races. The bike builds on the KTM 350 XCF and some of its major attributes, such as the latest 48mm WP XACT Suspension, with full 300mm travel. Using closed cartridge spring forks with a mid-valve piston concept that optimizes the oil flow for fast and consistent damping. The fully adjustable system also has new protection rings and a hydro stop to be fully configured for the trail ahead. The attachment of a titanium FMF FACTORY 4.1 RCT silencer will help shed weight and boost the bike's sea of torque even further, and harness even more potential from the 350 cubic centimeters DOHC engine. Factory wheel sets make the factory edition lighter and more robust. The billet hubs and aluminum spoke nipples are anodized orange and attached to a black anodized DID aluminum rim shod with Dunlop Geomax MX33 tires. The stainless steel wave brake discs front and rear. The front end has a floating unit with an anodized inner ring, while the rear has a solid design, all geared towards longer-lasting braking power and durability. The brake disc guard is incredibly light and made from a state-of-the-art, two-component, injection molding process, meaning it is very strong to bat away stones and other obstacles. The WP XACT fork legs are grasped by CNC milled aluminum factory triple clamps. The high-end clamps make the handling more precise and improve the action of the front suspension. In conclusion, the 2024 KTM 350 XCF Factory Edition is a masterpiece of off-road engineering, offering top-notch performance, stunning design, and a ride experience that's second to none. If you're a serious off-road enthusiast, this bike should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and leave your comments and questions down below. And, as always, ride safe and stay adventurous. See you in the next video.